let's meet Set A, Ubod. Ang Bata at ang Iyatak, playwright Giancarlo Sulan, director Silvio, and actor Rigel Getchanon. Takbo Batang Tondo, playwright Yoj, director San Agustin de Guzman. Polar Cordes, playwright Ade Valenzuela, and director Paulo Ojada. Manibalang, minating ni Maraya ang manto ng mami ni Mama Mary. Playwright LJ Castro del Loc, director Dexter L. Santos, assistant director Mara Aguilera. Unang araw, playwright Alban Villacorta Melchorizo, and director Solo Ledesma. Number 2, playwright Siege Malvar, director Johnny Tran, and their actors Piggy Baento, MC De La Cruz, and Andoy Renan. Mga Magindala sa Siyudad, playwright Chris Joseph Cunyo, and director Ricky Benedicto. The late Mr. Real, playwright Roland Miguel Ovina, and director Maynard Manansal. Playwright Emutis, Harvey Regala Salvador, director Adrian Vergara, and actor James Canenta. Set B, May Asin Pa. Anniversary, playwright Nercito Gomez, director Sarah Papuri. Meow for Me, Catriona, playwright Ryan Machado, director Tony Broyada, and their actors Miss Phoebe O'Hara and Miss Angelica Pangilico. Robert Greylandeta, and director Norby Nuevo Sanjoa. Set E, Panghimagas. Identity, playwright Juliette Claire Sosa, and director Leanne Espinosa. Director Jose Estrella, Assistant Director Mark Daniel Dela. Last but not the least, sa babaeng lahat, playwright Elise Santos, Director Carlos Borromeo, Assistant Director Julian Itaka. Palakpakan po natin muli our directors, our playwrights, and